All right, so we got lucky and we have another tall cabinet out here to take a peek at. At the lower portion is one, there's actually no intermediate style on these. And then they also ran the rail in the middle. When you open it up, inside the cabinet, looks like we've got some bottle storage on the top, spot for glasses, a couple miscellaneous spots, and then as we go down, a little play on words. So that's the spirit. Kind of fun, laser etched into the drawer front, kind of like our baking pantry from the training center. Use your imagination on this one. This is a fairly large hood laying on its back. See, it's got some wainscot or paneled end details, kind of an arched or curved wainscot, almost looking like a corbel. Inside of the hood, looks like a spice and oil storage here. Here's where the liner would go, and then on the face would be where the wainscot is. A pair of wall cabinets, arch tops. It is a green painted, it looks like one of our new CCC colors, with a walnut interior. I think it looks like these are duplicates, so probably a left and a right side. It's actually got a different detail on one end versus the other. So here we've got a corbel detail or a hutch end panel detail. Nice with the applied molding on there. Looks like it's getting a false door there. Again, matching interior walnut on this one with the inset beaded arch detail. We're seeing the arch detail come back really, really strong. And then the framed chamfer detail also. Great looking pair of cabinets here.